Hi,
Hello.
Orgo. Should I say welcome or should I say hi? Same pinch. Can I say same pinch?
Yeah. That's the best thing.
Exactly, same pinch. Now, for our viewers who are thinking, what is this same pinch about? Well, isn't it very simple? It's Rajasthan Royals versus Kolkata Knight Riders, and both of them are in the same boat. Before we explain what is this same boat, let's quickly actually see the same app that all of us use for our fantasy team.
Correct.
Here, why you should download the FanFight app as well.
It's match day. Play fantasy cricket now. Get up to 2.5 crores daily and lots more. 20 times more. Win big on FanFight. This game involves an element of financial risk and may be addictive. Please play responsibly and at your own risk.
So, Orko, would you like to take it up? Why are we on the same boat?
Because I think more than winning, these two teams have taken to defeat like a fish takes to water.
Oh my god.
I don't know why. I'm trolling both the teams together. I'm trolling both
Yeah,
the
I
teams together.
understand. But I guess,
And
as fans, it's
hmm,
frustrating. It's frustrating to see the teams perform like this, to see the teams, I don't know, to see your captain make outrageous comments. I mean, it's okay that Sanju Samson, uh, I don't know, he has been inconsistent. And on that, what will you say? He just said, it's okay, I'm inconsistent, I play like this only. Who says like that? How arrogant is that?
because
Like,
that's the
first you
attitude.
fail and then you are arrogant
Hull,
also.
Halla ball attitude. That's the attitude
Hal-
of our team. See, everybody in our team comes in to bat and tries to hit big. That's the
yeah.
attitude. See, it's like England cricket team. It's either if you go after each and every ball, either you will win or you will lose. There's no chance of like taking the game to the end. Either you will finish your opposition or you will be finished within the first 10 overs itself.
And that is what is happening to, that is what is happening to you guys, right? You
But
guys
what
are
happened against
finishing.
CSK? The top order was gone in the first 6 overs only. What was that? Like
I
बहुत
don't
जल्दी
know.
था.
I genuinely
मैगी
don't
बन
know.
रहा था.
I genuinely don't know. Probably मैगी बन रहा था और उन सबको खाना था. Or probably, I
No,
mean,
I think something happened. I know what happened.
what?
Again, that old and repeated dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan came to their mind. कि हार के जीतने वालों. Because the recovery was as good as uh,
Definitely.
equally as
And
as
it was
frustrating the
shocking.
collapse was,
I mean,
the
shocking in
recovery
a
was
good
that good
sense,
itself.
shocking. Yeah, it was shocking
Yeah.
in good sense. Like, as KKR, as a KKR fan, what I'm glad about is that our lower middle order, I would say lower middle order, is doing so well. Someone like a Pat Cummins, uh, he played so well. He almost took the team home. But with,
But
yeah,
with Pat Cummins, I feel last year also he used to do the same thing. In some
but
matches, he gets hit for 50, 60 runs, more than 40 runs.
but
And
that's
then
T20. Yeah, that
I think,
happens.
and then he comes on to bat and
Huh.
scores 50, 40 runs only, so that nobody
So
can
that's
say
how he
anything to him.
nullifies. No, that even though it's zero, 50 I've given with the ball, 50 I've scored with the bat. So ultimately, I have actually not done anything that the team has to suffer from. That's the point, maybe.
And why
But
is Morgan equally bad? Equally
uh,
bad. Morgan is equally bad while doing captaincy. I don't know. His changes are not working. Bowling changes, and he's equally bad with the bat. What is happening to Captain Morgan? Where's his jadoo?
I don't know. But if I have a feeling, could be a little controversial, but probably he's not being allowed to express himself properly too much from the
Oh,
coaching staff, because it seems like he has
but
something planned in his head. I mean, as in it's something like it's a written document which he has and he has to follow. I don't see the Morgan who
Oh,
innovates. I don't see him handling anything. I mean, I don't want you
I
to crack a
think
joke.
I think you are pointing the finger towards McCallum. Is he doing captaincy
Absolutely,
from
I am.
outside? Is he?
Absolutely, I am. Yes, yes, I
So
am.
there was one
Because
KKR
Kolkata is
team
a
in.
good side. Yeah, we have good players, and there should be no reason to play this way. Having said that, I want to know something. I understand that you guys, because obviously you guys don't win much, so small moments, small victories are huge. But Chris Morris Orgho is not better than Rahul Tewatia in IPL. Your team has to understand that. He just won one match. That too, the bowlers were also equal to be framed. Okay, let's give the credit to Chris Morris. I don't mind. But you're sending him before Tivatia in some matches. Are you mad? Yes.
I think Rajasthan Royals is also following KKR's path. Like Morris also, yeah, in the
Yeah.
last game, Morris also like last game, the game before that also, like he is getting hit for runs every match. Now he also has a point to prove, right? He has a big price tag. So
Yes.
the Rajasthan Royals are thinking that let's send him to bat, and like he will be under pressure to perform because like he has a big price tag. So he will feel that, oh, I have given so many runs with the ball, so let me do it with the bat. And maybe out of like 10 times, thrice or 4 times he will do well. And that's what our hope is. I feel we are investing on that. Like we are
Who are
hoping
you
against
talking
hope
about?
that he.
Sanju Samson.
No, Morris. I
No,
feel
but
they are
you
sending
said
him
out
to.
of 16 matches, 3 or 4 times you will perform. That works with Sanju Samson, no?
Oh,
And those 3 4 innings, he will be scoring centuries. People will say, yes, Sanju, come on, Sanju. You are the man, Sanju. And then Sanju is done.
I feel Sanju Samson is like that fielder. At times you see on the cricket pitch, there are certain fielders who take easy catches difficult in a difficult way. They jump and take those catches so that people praise him more than they should be praised. Like they make it look more beautiful. I think Sanju Samson is like that. He feels that if I score 100 or 80 in 30 balls, then people will give me more credit. People will say, oh, what great innings this guy has played. And I think he feels that he will come to the notice of the Indian management also. That's what I feel because otherwise
But you
there's
know,
no
there is
reason
one
why.
person whom the Indian management is noticing, not
Hmm.
only because he's playing well, but also because of a specific talent that he has and really good. And he's really good at that.
Yeah.
Rian Parag,
Who is
the Bihu dance.
he
And but
who
he,
dance
he
master?
has been doing well. There's no doubt in that. What about Shivam Dubey? He was more promising. Come on, you have to say he was more promising in RCB. Huh? In
I
RR,
think I think when he saw RCB and his ex teammates, he got
he
charged
didn't
up.
feel like. Oh, okay. That's how. So
He
only
got,
two
and
matches he
that's
performed.
good. That's good. See now with Archer also confirmed. Archer is also now out.
Absolutely, Archer
Livingston is
is out.
also out. I somehow feel that
You don't
Rajasthan
need
Royals should
foreigners in
bring
your
in.
team.
Yeah, there's one foreigner who can change this team around.
Who?
Whom England has also discarded him. You know the name? Alex Hales.
Kevin
I think
Peterson.
Alex
Oh, I thought Kevin Peterson.
came. Alex Hales can turn their fortunes, but I don't know like what will happen
So,
to them.
according
But
to Orgo,
hmm,
it's time for Rajasthan Royals to somehow contact Alex Hales and get him back. Will Rajasthan Royals do that, or will the Knight Riders finally manage to perform the top order? I mean, as fans, I don't know whether we should criticize the team or we should support the team. But yeah, at this hour, the teams do need their fans to support. So please keep supporting. And there is one more thing that we all need to do at this current hour: keep ourselves positive, not COVID positive, positive, you know, and not to be the other end of positive. We should wear our mask, stay safe, stay at home, and please take care of yourself and everyone around. See you. Thank you for watching.